Most people think QR codes are just black and white squares, and that's why plain QR codes often don't get the attention they deserve. When a QR code is built properly, it becomes a simple, powerful way to guide customers and speed up decisions. In this video, I'll show you how to use the best QR code generator to create QR codes that are clean, branded, and designed for real business use. I'm not just showing you a tool, I'm showing you how to use it correctly. And stay till the end, because one small choice changes how people respond to your QR code immediately. Go to brandedqrcode.com. You have two options: create from scratch or design assistant. We'll use the design assistant. Upload your logo and resize it. You'll then get 4 to 6 options. Pick the one you like and edit it to your liking. First, choose your export size. After that, pick your pattern shape. Then pick your corner style. Adjust the padding, set your border width, choose how rounded you want the border to be, increase or decrease the detail level. Adjust the QR code size. Next, choose your frame style. Set your frame width. Pick how rounded you want the frame. Then set your frame text color and size. You can also decide whether you want your logo in the center or embedded into the QR code. Then choose what you want the QR code to link to. We'll link it to a URL. Enter the URL, download the QR code, and you'll see it scan perfectly. Now let's create a plain QR code. Scroll up and click Remove Image, then Reset Style. Increase the detail level for better scannability. Pick your foreground color and background color. Choose your pattern shape, your corner style, and your frame style. And as you can see, it scans perfectly.